Some say that farming is a simple life, but it's also an honest, humble, and honorable life. We work in acres, not in hours, and that's life on a farm. Growing up on a farm, you learn the importance of family. They are your teammates, your support system, your co-workers. Hard work and family values, that's farming. Our family has farmed in Auglaize County since our great-grandfather bought a farm on St. Mary's River Road back in 1905. From generation to generation, we're thankful to be part of a family that's proud to live that simple life on the farm. Here's to this year's harvest, and many more harvests to come.